Lesson 10. Active and passive voice. Let's observe analytical skills. Look at the picture and read the following sentences. Hrithik played the guitar. The guitar was played by Hrithik. What do you observe in the above sentence? Let's learn conceptual learning. We observe that both the sentences mean the same thing. The verb played agrees with the active subject Hrithik. Hence, the verb played is said to be in active voice. The verb was played in the second sentence agrees with the passive subject, so the verb was played is said to be in passive voice. Rules of changing a verb from the active voice into the passive voice. The subject of the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. The object of the active voice is made the subject of the passive voice. In the passive voice, the past participle form of the verb, we three, is used. The tense and mood of the sentence is expressed by a be verb that agrees with the subject pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they are changed into me, us, you, him, her, it and them, respectively. Conversion from the active voice to passive voice. Based on all tense forms. Tense, active voice, passive voice. Simple present. Tapasi draws a picture. A picture is drawn by Tapasi. Present continuous. Tapasi is drawing a picture. A picture is being drawn by Tapasi. Present perfect. Tapasi has drawn a picture. A picture has been drawn by Tapasi. Simple past. Tapasi drew a picture. A picture was drawn by Tapasi. Past continuous. Tapasi was drawing a picture. A picture was being drawn by Tapasi. Past perfect. Tapasi had drawn a picture. A picture had been drawn by Tapasi. Simple future. Tapasi will draw a picture. A picture will be drawn by Tapasi. Future perfect. Tapasi will have drawn a picture. A picture will have been drawn by Tapasi. Note: since there are no transitive verbs in four tenses, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous, we cannot make passive voice of sentences in these tenses. More about passive voice. When a transitive verb has two objects, there are two possible ways of converting it into the passive voice. In such a sentence, either the direct or the indirect object may be made the subject in the passive voice, while the other object remains unchanged. The object which does not change is called the retained object. Example: she gave us some money. Active. A. Some money was given to us. Passive. B. We were given some money. Passive. Voice change in interrogative sentences. Even in the passive voice, a question remains a question. The auxiliary verb in both the voices in a question precedes the subject. Example: can they lift this box? Active. Can this box be lifted? Passive. Yes, no questions. The auxiliary verbs do, did and does in an interrogative sentence with the verb in the active voice change into is, was, and are or were in the passive voice. Example: do they watch the news every evening? Active. Is the news watched every evening by them? Passive. The auxiliary verb have or has in an interrogative sentence in the active voice changes into have been plus past participle of the verb. Modals do not undergo any change in the active or the passive voice. Example: had she cleaned the house before you reached? Active. Had the house been cleaned by her before you reached? Passive. Grammar connect. Between the two possibilities, the second one, where the indirect object occupies the subject position and the direct object is retained, is preferred. Questions with who, what, which, when, why. Questions beginning with who, what, which, when, why, etc. retain the question word in the passive voice in the beginning of the sentence, and sometimes a preposition, usually by, is placed at the end. Examples: A. Who did this mischief? Active. By whom was this mischief done? Passive. B. What do we need for this job? Active. What is required for this job? Passive. Change of voice in imperative sentences. Order or command. The sentences begin with let and the imperative verb changes into be plus past participle of verb. Example: put all the toys away. Active. Let all the toys be put away. Passive. Advice or suggestion. The object in the imperative sentence occupies the subject position and the verb expressing the advice or suggestion changes to should, must, or to plus be plus past participle of verb. Example: eat meals at regular times. Active. Meals should be eaten at regular times. Passive. Sentences beginning with please kindly. In an imperative sentence where the verb has two objects, we know that any one of the two objects can be made the subject in the passive structure. Sometimes, the phrase you are requested to be placed before the imperative verb. In negative sentences, the structure becomes you are requested not to plus verb.